Dear students, now we are going to discuss about how to add pictures in canvas. We already created the canvas and we colored it using bucket fill and using blend tool we call color. And what is the difference between that bucket tool and blend tool? While we are using bucket tool, we can just use a single color. But if you are using the blend tool, we can choose different colors. Means the combination of colors. Here we colored by using the blend tool. Then next we are going to do how to add the pictures in this canvas. For making the poster or certificate, for all things we need to create pictures, or we need to add the pictures and text and logos, etc. First we are going to create or add the picture. For this, first we want to go to file menu. Go to the file menu, file, edit, select, view. Different on menu bar, different options are the menus are there. You just click on file menu, then click open. Then we already saved the pictures in our desktop, means in our computer, in different folders. We just select that folder, then select one picture, click open. Then our picture is ready, that is appearing on a new layer. And next we want to select this one. We already studied different selection tools, that is rectangle selection tool, ellipse selection tool and free select tool. You know what is that? That is if you are choosing the rectangle selection tool, we can select the rectangle portion, and if you are selecting the ellipse selection tool, we can choose the ellipse portion. And if you are selecting the free select tool, the selection is as your wish. Okay, so our like we have to select. These are the different selection tools. Then here we are selecting the free select tool. Rectangle, ellipse and free. Look at the pictures. Okay. Ellipse, then free. Just take the free select tool, then start your selection. That is it is possible to select as our wish. Just click and select. The selection is over. Then next we need to create a new layer for paste this one. Then first go to the layer menu. First we would need to copy this one. First copy this one and paste into a new layer. That is, for that we just click layer menu, then new layer. Then while creating these layers, we just listen first how to name it. Just put a name on the layer name. Then after that, the width and height must be. It's very good to set the width and height as our original, means as our canvas size. That is here 1024 and 768. Okay, in pixels. Then click OK. That is, our layers are present here. One duplicate layer is there, just delete that. Then background layer and the layer 1. And we need to paste our picture in this new layer. Go to edit, paste. Then the new layer is here. Then over that new layer, the picture is there. Then just using move tool, you can just move this, and using the scale tool. Next one is the scale tool. Using that scale tool, you can then resize and set the scale. Means you can adjust the height and width of the picture. Then click scale. Move tool, you just move this one. And after moving and resizing the picture, you just want to fix this one. For this we are using a tool, that is anchor tool. That is, just look at this anchor tool for fixing the picture in that layer. Okay, then fix this one. Then after that, there is a fine edge in the case of this picture violin. We want to set that fine edge. Means we want to big that in a very good manner. Then you just click feather edge, the option feather edge. While we are selecting, just click tick on the feather edge and just resize, just to set the radius of the picture. Means there is an option to set the radius. Then the radius, increase the radius, then we'll get in a bigger size. Okay, then next, again go to file, open, select the new picture, then open the same way what we did in the case of violin. Here we are selecting the ellipse select tool because the picture is in the size shape of ellipse or circle. What we did in the last case, the same procedures we can do this also. The feather edge, then move tool, scale tool, all this. Only the difference is the selection tool. Then go to edit, copy, then go to our canvas, create new layer, layer 2, then click OK, then paste that the picture into this layer. That is in the layer window, all these layers are present. First one is the background, second is layer 1, then third one is layer 2. And next, using move tool and scale tool, you can just move this one. Okay, the next we want to add the text. Means in the certificate we need some text. For that you take the menu or tool text, create or edit text. If you want to type something, you just type this one, and while taking this text there is no need of creating separate layer, because while taking this text already the new layers are created. Means we can move, we can edit like that. Just type what you needed. Here we are typing the school name, means Ideal School. Just type and just change the color. We can change the color, we can change the size. Click OK, change the size, change the font, and using the move tool you can just move this one also. Then next we need to add a logo. Means Arts Day, that is our certificates. Arts Day, the certificates is for Arts Day. So that Arts Day is you typed as a logo. For that we first choose what, go to file menu, that we already studied in 4th standard. First go to file menu, then click create, then logos, then choose any logo. Here so many different logos are available, you can choose any one, that's our like. Then just already the text GIMP is there, you just rename that. Here we want to rename what, Arts Day, just rename it. And if you need to size the font size, you just set here the font size and change the font and click OK. Arts Day, that is, this is a new layer. Means this the background is also present here, but we need only the writings ARTSDAY. Just look at this side, the visible and invisible options. Just look at the eye images. The 3 eye images are there in this Arts Day layer. There are 3 parts are there. First one is the background, and second one is the drop shadow, and third one is the writings. Here we need only the drop shadow and the writings art stay, no need of that background. So there is an option I. Just look at the picture I, that is this is visible. If these eyes are open, that is visible, and just click the, while we are clicking the, that will make it invisible. That is, there is no eye picture is there, eye image is there, then it is invisible. Visible means, and invisible means when you close your eyes you can't see anything, and when you open your eyes, that is visible. Okay, just click the visible eye image on the background, then there is no eye image is present, so that is invisible. Then we need only this art stay writing. Then here create a new layer for this also. First edit, copy visible. What is meant by this copy visible? Here the background is invisible and others too is visible, so we took the we select the option copy visible. Select that, copy visible. Then on our take our canvas, then layer, new layer, layer 3, click OK. That is, the layers are, all layers are present in that. Then go to edit, click paste. That is art stay. Look at this one, there is no background, only art stay is present. Okay, these are the different layers: background, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Then the ideal school, that is only the text. Ideal school is not a layer, that is a text. Means it's a layer, but that is not created by ourselves. That is already creating when we are taking the text. And if you want to make the changes on art stay, the same way, you can use the scale tool, and you can use the move tool. Using move tool, you can just move it. This is all possible because of we have created all this by layers. Okay, that is, we have created all this as a layers. Then we can each layers, we can move, we can edit, we can modify, or we can delete. There is nothing happened to other layers. Okay, this is all about how to add pictures and how to add text, how to add logo, and what is layers, what is featherette, what is then eye image, that is visible and invisible. If eye image is present, that is visible. If eye image is not present, that is invisible. And what is meant by featherette? Featherette is used for to setting the fine edges. And what is meant by anchor tool? Anchor tool is used for fix the pictures on that layer. Okay, the next is for save. That is on next class. Thank you all. Bye bye.